Actress Shilpa Shetty-Kundra is not only a brilliant actress but a health freak too. The actress now owns a hydroponic farm. She shared a glimpse of her farm on her verified Instagram handle. In the post, Shilpa revealed that through hydroponic farming, she has managed to produce her own salad in 25 days. Not only this, the actress also explained what hydroponic farming is in her post. On the work front, Shilpa is all set to make her comeback to Bollywood with the films Hangama 2 and Nikama. On the occasion of Army Day, actor Akshay Kumar met some Indian bravehearts and played a quick game of volleyball. Akshay took to Instagram to share the video. He wrote, "Had the pleasure of meeting some of our bravehearts today to flag off a marathon on the occasion of Army Day, and what better way to warm up than a quick game of volleyball." In the video, Akshay can be seen sporting an all-black outfit. Akshay is currently shooting for his upcoming film Bachchan Pandey in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. The Farhad Samji directorial film also stars Arshad Warsi, Jacqueline Fernandez, Kriti Sanon and Pratik Babbar. Actor Vikrant Messi and Kritik Harbanda have completed the shooting of their upcoming film Chaudah Fere. The makers of the film on Thursday hosted a wrap-up party. The entire cast and crew of the film marked their presence at the party. The lead pair of the film, Kritik Harbanda and Vikrant, also attended the event. Kriti was seen clad in white crop top and denim. The beautiful actress kept her makeup minimal. She completed her look with wavy middle parted hair, while Vikrant kept his look casual in orange jacket and cargo pants. Directed by Devanshu Singh, Chaudah Fere is a contemporary social comedy film that will see Kriti romancing Vikrant Messi. The film will release on July 9, 2021. Actress Sunny Leone is currently shooting for her upcoming web series Anamika. The actress loves indulging in mouth-watering roadside delicacies. In the video, Sunny can be seen gorging on some pani puris while her hairstylist records her video.
सनी ने सिर्फ 12 पानी पूरी खाए, ज्यादा नहीं खाए.
Sunny's hairstylist can be heard saying. The actress replies,
जीती ऐसे झूठ बोलना अच्छा नहीं है.
Seriously?
ऐसे झूठ बोलना अच्छा नहीं है जीती.
और जीती ने खाया 38 पीस
कर्मा कुछ चीज होती है
और तुम्हारे पास आएगी.
मैंने सिर्फ 2 खाई, ये तीसरा है, मुझे छोड़ दो. बाय.
Anamika is a gun-fu action series with 10 episodes. Sunny will be seen in an action avatar as never before. The series will be shot in Mumbai. The first schedule is slated to be wrapped up by the end of the year. Written and directed by Vikram Bhatt, the series is produced by Bhatt and his daughter Krishna Bhatt and set to release on MX Player. Pankaj Tripathi is celebrating 3 million followers on his verified Instagram account. The actor shared a video to express his gratitude to fans for connecting with him on the social media platform. Tripathi also hosted a virtual party for his followers where he asked them to drink a glass of water and breathe deeply 5 times to mark the occasion. In the video, the actor says in Hindi,
दोस्तों आज मुझे अभी पता चला कि मैं 3 मिलियन मेरे इंस्टा से लोग जुड़ चुके हैं. सो शुक्रिया, थैंक यू सो मच मुझसे जुड़ने के लिए. सो आज उसके जस्ट में एक वर्चुअल पार्टी है मेरी तरफ से. आप सब अपने अपने रसोई में जाएं और एक एक गिलास पानी पी लें और 5 डीप ब्रीदिंग, ऐसी लंबी सांस. थैंक यू सो मच मुझे चाहने के लिए, मुझसे जुड़ने के लिए. आभार, शुक्रिया.
Tripathi's new release is the digitally dropped film Kagaz, where he plays a common man who is officially declared dead based on the true story. The film narrates how he fights with the system just to prove that he is alive. The film has been directed by Satish Kaushik. The actor has also garnered critical appreciation for his performance in the recently released web series Criminal Justice Behind Closed Doors. Tripathi will next be seen alongside Akshay Kumar in the film Bachchan Pandey, which is currently on the floors in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. The Farhad Samji directorial film also stars Arshad Warsi, Jacqueline Fernandez, Kriti Sanon and Pradeep Babbar. He has the much-hyped 83 coming up, starring Ranveer Singh as cricketing icon Kapil Dev. The film narrates the story of India's first Cricket World Cup victory in 1983. Tripathi plays the team's manager Man Singh. The actor will also be seen in Dibakar Banerjee's black comedy Sandeep or Pinky Farrar, featuring Parineeti Chopra and Arjun Kapoor.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.